Hello, students! Today we're going to learn about two very important parts of words: prefixes and suffixes. Let's begin with prefixes. A prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word. A prefix changes the meaning of the word. For example, the word play means to take part in an activity. If we add the prefix read at the beginning, we get replay. Replay means to play again. Here's another example. The word spell means to write or say the letters of a word correctly. When we add miss, we get misspell, which means to spell incorrectly. We can also use n and dis. For example, do becomes undo, meaning to reverse an action, and connect becomes disconnect, meaning to break a connection. Now let's learn about suffixes. A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word. It can change the meaning or grammatical form of a word. For example, the word teach becomes teacher when we add the suffix. A teacher is a person who teaches. The word hope can become hopeful by adding fool. Hopeful means full of hope. If we add less, we get hopeless, meaning without hope. Here is another example. The word read becomes readable when we add able. Readable means something that can be read. So remember this simple rule. Prefix comes before the word. Suffix comes after the word. For example, re plus play equals replay. That is a prefix. And teach plus or equals teacher. That is a suffix. One more important term is the base word. A base word is a word that has its own meaning and can stand alone. For example, play is the base word in replay, and teach is the base word in teacher. Let's quickly revise. A prefix is added to the beginning of a word. A suffix is added to the end of a word. Prefix re-ja play dung you replay. Suffix teach plus equals teacher. Excellent, students! Now you know the difference between prefixes and suffixes. Remember, prefix at the front, suffix at the end.